are. Wally World. 9:34 a.m. About to pick up some bait, which will most likely just stock up on some trout magnets. That's about it. They're having a store meeting. I remember those days. I got all the bait stuff to myself. Ah. So, oh, good. Here, right back to you. Let me start picking some of this stuff up. Finally got out of Wally World. Baits of choice for today. This little bomb right here, squirrel type thing. I lost this guy a couple of weeks ago. Just snagged. Got some floats. Never tried before. I'm gonna try these. See a lot of trout fish. I believe the trout fish have been using these guys. And of course, trout magnets. Stocking up on those. That's it. About to grab some breakfast. And I'll see you guys at the river. Ladies and gents, I just made it. It is 2:58. Running a little late. That's because I had to stop at Walmart, get my breakfast in. Then there was a little bit of traffic on the way. Today, my plan is to, same thing, multi-species, see what I can catch, but also see if I could find some little pockets here and there. I mean, I got my waders on. If it's safe, you know, try to stay away from the snakes and poison ivy out here because it's totally out of control here. I knew he'd get it sooner or later. Reaction bite. Look at that. Some sticky hooks. Kept teasing this guy over and over again. He just kept looking at it. I'm like, come on. Sooner or later you're gonna get it. Oh, don't stick me with that. Wait. Stay still, bro. Oh, I knew you were gonna do that. Stay still. Stay still. Now you got dirt all over you. Still beautiful, no matter what. Oh, Poison Ivy City here. Let me see, where are these guys at? Some over there. Just gonna try to keep my arms off this stuff. Okay. Yeah, I seen them swim this way. A lot of bait fish over on this side. Yep, Sonny wants it, but the smallmouth is being a little more dominant here. He might take it. Yep, somebody took it here. Rock bass. Nice little rocky. Look at this guy. Beautiful. If you fall in the bush, I'm not going after you. And I'm going to toss you on the other side so you don't scare the rest of your buddies. You know what? I want a picture of you. The smallmouth looking right at it. Oh, little guy has it now. Ah, come on, dude. And he choked that too. Dang. Something got caught, didn't even feel it. Beautiful belly on this guy. Beautiful, beautiful belly on this dude. Look at that. Oh, put them in the right light. They just look amazing. There you go. Check it out. Gotcha. Oop, there you go. Guys, I'm making a small little hike here. River's back there. And I'm gonna ask the guys at the mill if I could get permission to fish behind the mill. There's another section back there. Hopefully they're still open. Looks like it is. it is. Hi. I was wondering if I could get permission to in the back there.
Yeah.
Yeah? Cool.
Thank you for asking.
Yeah, I just want to make sure it's okay with you.
Appreciate it.
All right. That worked out. We got some water. Running back here. I mean, I don't know what kind of access I'm gonna have to it. There's a lot of bush. And I am not trying to get poison ivy again. You gotta be careful with the snakies. Looks like a nice little spot. See if there's any more access back here. This grass is getting tall here. I don't like that. I think we're better off climbing through here. Fish of this ow, behind the mill here. It's pretty awesome. Definitely got to get my boots clean. Look at that. Yep, there it goes. Didn't take long. Bluegill. Nice. That's a beautiful little bluegill right there. It's got some parasites on there. Ugh. I feel like putting on a small swim bait. What the heck is this? Whoa. A crappie? Look at that. I've never caught a crappie out of this river. That is awesome. Look at that. Oh wow, another crappie. Look at that. Beautiful little crappie. I saw you. That's the funny thing, is that I did see you. We got somebody. And we got a smallie on the net rig. Yeah. Check that out, guys. He's tiny. But I made my way up through, I don't know where I'm at right now. I know that normally I fish upstream that way. But this is awesome.